Ballard County is a beautiful place to do business. Here's a list of some of the places available inside Ballard County. An industrial park and four-lane highway in Keble helps bridge the gap between the neighboring metropolitan area of Paducah and the rest of the county. Additionally, La Center is the center of the county where most shopping and entertainment is found. Ballard is at an intersection of highways, including the Great River Road. It is also a confluence of the Mississippi and Ohio River paired with a strong regional workforce. Imports and exports can be transferred from water to rail in this area, creating a great opportunity for many industries. Cape Girardeau, Missouri, and Paducah, Kentucky are your closest population centers to draw from multiple forms of transportation. It makes for an easy access to 4 states. Ballard County has a distinct advantage to many other regions. These are just a few of the many locations available for doing business in Ballard County. For more information, go to discoverballardcounty.com.